This is Dave McCain with the Right Tree Genealogy doing another video today on Ancestry.com. So the topic is going to be bi-parent beta. It's a nice feature and how to set it up. So let's get into this. I've got myself in the lower left-hand corner and we can go through the slides here. So when you go into your DNA, you can go under a specific area and change the settings for your parent beta that has been created by them. Right here, you click on by parent beta, and you can take a look at which matches are defined by Ancestry as through your maternal line or your paternal line. Now they have it initially as parent 1 and parent 2. Well, in this particular tester's case, I know that those that have Kennedy and Vaughn and those that have McCain and Sanks, I know which sides those are. So since I know what sides those are on, I can click on edit the parent and change that setting. If I change that setting by clicking on this button, I then get the option to say, okay, is it the maternal line or the paternal line that parent 1 is? Well, I know that the Kennedys and the Vaughns are on the maternal line for this tester. So I click on that and it says confirm. Parent 1 is going to be linked to the maternal line and parent 2 is going to be linked to the paternal line. Hit confirmation on this and this is what you see. Those exact same testers that was just a moment ago showed parent 1 and parent 2 now show, all 17,000 of them will show up as maternal that go to this line, and all 17,000 of them that are on this link of surnames will go as paternal, will show up as those. Well, let's just see that in action. When I go back into my match list, I go down the page a little bit to have something that can give me some variety. Right here. Now it automatically labels most of the matches either both paternal or maternal. Now there are still some that are undefined. If it says this is the paternal side, the DNA matches more closely to those matches for you, and you can start looking at the names and try to trace down how they relate to you. And same thing on the maternal line. Now just as a note here, I have these two labeled already. This is through the William Clinton McCain line. That's the paternal line, and that's how that line is linked. And on this one, I have a very specific statement here that this person links through as a first cousin once removed per the Kennedy, the Vaughn. Basically, it is through Bruce Kennedy. Now, if you take advantage of the opportunity with this change that you can make, it's going to help you a lot in figuring out how you're related to people. If you're not seeing who the names are in their trees, you can go, well, it says paternal. Can I show that? Now, if you have a situation where there's more people that are intermarrying, almost an endogamous type situation, distant cousins marrying distant cousins and surnames intermixing over and in regions, it's possible you get higher levels of DNA centimorgans. But when you're looking at 50 and above, you can, and it says paternal side or maternal side, you can feel pretty assured of it. And if it says both, that means there's enough DNA there, say there is a double cousinship there somewhere in history. Well, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing right here or watching some of these other videos. Let's continue learning together.